To activate Google Verification, choose Settings tab. Then go to Verification tab and select Google Verification in a drop-down list. Click Save button. Then scan a QR code with a smartphone camera and enter generated OTP. Click Confirm button. After successful Google authentication activation, a message about it will appear. From now, each time you sign into the wallet, you should enter a new authentication code sent to you by Google Authenticator app to verify your account. Two-step Google verification provides stronger security for your wallet's funds and data.